Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. So for today's video, I'm presenting you all the accessories that I have and I own and I bought for my iPhone 11. So this is my phone. This is the iPhone 11, the normal one, no Pro, no whatever. It's the iPhone 11. It has 128 gigabytes. I think I say that on all of my iPhone videos because it's something that people really ask me a lot. I decided to get the white one because it would just easily match with any type of case that I wanted. So the iPhone looks like this whenever, you know, it's without its case and everything. I love it. I think it's so elegant, it's so well designed, and I think it's very precious actually. First case that I bought was actually this one. This is just a pink silicone, I guess, case. I will leave every single link of the cases or of anything that I bought if I could find down below. And I bought this from Fnac. This was the one that you saw on my unboxing video. I really love this because it has such a pretty color and the color hasn't changed, and I've had the iPhone in this case for almost 2 years now. 2 years? Oh, it has been 2 years. 1 year. 1 year now. Me being dramatic. And so I highly recommend these cases. One thing that I don't recommend, and it happened to all my silicone cases, was just because of the heat of, you know, the weather and everything, just started to get a little bit sticky. So that's why I shifted for other cases that will show you. So yeah, this was the first one that I got. I highly recommend if you're looking for some kind of silicone case or these kind of texture case. This is actually awesome. I love it so much. And it hasn't been broken, you know, in the corners or anything because of putting on the pockets. This one has stand still for this long. I went a little bit crazy on the case situation. The first one, it was not such a crazy adventure. I just wanted to have a clear case because I wanted to just be able to change what was on it, and I used to put just Polaroids and everything here, so I think that would be a very cute. But the thing is, right now looking at it, this is so disgusting. It is so dirty, and I know like a way of you to clean these type of cases, but I haven't done that, so that's probably the only thing that I would say against. It's not only this one is so thin, so I don't guess it protects much my phone, but it also gets dirty super easily. But the pro side is that you can easily just decorate your phone and have a super cute case. Then the crazy part, out of nowhere, I decided to order 3 cases, and these were the ones I showed you on my what's on my iPhone video, I guess, or turning my iPhone aesthetic or something like that. And basically I decided to get the white case that I absolutely love. I've been just using it until now. Here, you know, just breaking a little bit and the case like sticking out and everything, so I just glue it and it's fine. These happened with these 3 cases happened the same with the pink version, so yeah, it just gets a little bit sticky and I was kind of tired to just have this weird sensation on my fingers, so I decided to stop using them. Yeah, but I absolutely love them. I highly recommend if you're looking for these type of cases. I looked at an Instagram store, it ships worldwide, I've asked, and a bunch of you actually bought from the store as well, so I'll leave the link down below. But the thing is, over time, just with the temperature and everything, it gets sticky. But then I found on the same store, and this is the store that is shipping me in the front case, that they had a pizza case. And I was like, I need to get it. So this has the same problem as the clear case that I showed previously because it just gets dirty easily. But the thing is, it's pizza themed. I love it. The only thing that I don't like about this case is it's so thin. I just don't think it protects much my iPhone, and sometimes I'm a little bit clumsy, so you know, I need to feel that my phone is protected. But I highly recommend these type of cases. They are just so cute. Because they are transparent, you can just see the iPhone color, and I think it just looks very cute for pictures or whatever. But then, you know, Shein came and I was like, no, they didn't come. I went to them and I bought a lot of stuff that I'm going to be doing a haul soon about it, including 2 cases. This one I haven't opened it yet, so I'm just going to be opening with you guys. This is a marble case. I don't know if you know this, but I love marble things. Like, that's just something. Oh, this looks so cute. Okay, so once again, I love this case, but it doesn't protect at all your phone. This is just for purely aesthetically pleasing purposes. This does not protect your phone. It doesn't even have like this part here to protect. Like, what are you expecting to get from this? I don't know, a scratch probably. But on the other hand, I also bought this one that has just stars and moons and everything, and I love this case so much, you guys. I'm so happy with this case. The thing is, I have to accept that I'm clumsy and try to fix the problem. So I bought this case, and this case is amazing. Not only it's like super duper pretty, it has like these protective corners that I absolutely love. Everything is transparent. This case was like €3 and I highly recommend. It's super light and it's thin, but as well it has just a very protective system, so I highly recommend. And it has also protection here, which most cases that I bought didn't, you know, like this one. So moving on from cases to pop sockets. I only got this one, and this was because I bought the Animal Crossing game for Nintendo Switch. They just offered the Animal Crossing pop socket. I love it so much. I don't want to use it because the cases that I had, because there were silicone and everything, I didn't want to ruin them more. But this is so cute, you know, like... Moving on to tripods, because it's also a very important theme here on this video, because for me as a YouTuber or content creator, always trying to just do everything with my phone, because it's a tool that I always have, and if I could just, you know, easily produce content with my iPhone, that would be great. So I got this tripod. Actually, my mom bought it on like a dollar store or something, but the thing is, I don't recommend these tripods because mine is already broken. They do its job, you know, but these can't stand my camera. For example, I have to just kind of do like these for the camera to be, I don't know, it's difficult. But the iPhone, it's just perfect for it. Then the other tripod-ish thingy that I bought was this one, so I could film TikTok. But this one was from Shein, and this absolutely sucks. I bought this one thinking, oh, now I can do like packing videos, unboxings and everything on my TikTok, but no, I can't. The weight of the iPhone just actually, you know, as you can see, it doesn't hold much on the position, but I mean, if you just try to like twist everything so it can be in the exact position, it will do the job. The thing is, you take a long time just to kind of try to put your iPhone on the right spot, angle, and stable. Moving on to headphones. Headphones are absolutely important. Since you don't have the normal jack thingy for the phones that you used to have on the previous versions of the iPhone, I got to discover wireless headphones, and I love them because I can just easily be doing whatever I want. So I have here the headphones that came with the iPhone, and I absolutely love them. These are the ones that I take always with me on my purse and everything, because they're just very compact, very little, and the quality, the audio quality is amazing, honestly. So I love these ones. And because sometimes I also have bought these ones, move it. I don't want to waste money on AirPods, so I bought these ones for like €40 or something. These are amazing, honestly. But the thing is, whenever I just run out of battery on these AirPods on the trip, I have these with me so I can just, you know, be listening to music whenever. So as I mentioned, I bought these ones from Vorten. Actually, it was €40, I think. So they came like these, very like similar to the AirPods. The quality of the box is not the same, obviously, nor the quality of the headphones. They have the little button here so you can connect. The charger is here. Then you just open and you have your AirPods. For these, because I thought this was very fragile, I just bought these case from Pull & Bear. They have a bunch of editions of like different versions of cases and everything, and I absolutely love it because it protects the charger as well, and it just has these little things so you can hang whatever, and the size of the case matches perfectly with the size of the box, so I love it so much. And it's super cute. It's like very aesthetically pleasing and summery vibes, you know. I love it. Still speaking of headphones, my boyfriend bought me these JBL Bluetooth phones. I love them so much. I use these to edit videos. I use these whenever I want to listen to Spotify or working or whatever. Because they're wireless, I can just easily connect with my iPhone as well and just be listening to whatever. And then this is the charger for the headphones. The only problem with this wire is because it's so little, I just have to charge it on the floor, and that part I don't like it, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So these ones I highly recommend. The only thing that I didn't even understand how yet, I just can't, for example, be on Skype or Microsoft Teams or whatever with the wireless headphones. I don't know why, they just get all trippy and everything, but I highly recommend for like listening to music, editing, YouTube, whatever you want to do. These are perfect. So speaking of the charger and how I charge my phone and everything, basically I have been charging the phone for the last 1 year-ish with the same charger, the one that came with the iPhone. I had no problem whatsoever. For the first time, I didn't have to buy another cable and another one. I don't know why, but that hasn't happened, gladly. But lately, I went to IKEA and I bought these wireless charger for €5 and I absolutely love it. I just have these on my nightstand and I just charge my iPhone at night. This is a lifesaver, honestly. You don't have to always be like putting the things, and yeah, I love this one. So the last two things that I want to talk about is just these two little thingies. The first one is the cameras that I have on my phone. I bought these a while ago, I think on Tiger or something, and on Aleo. I don't know if you know this store, I'll leave it linked down below. But basically you just do like this, attached to the phone, these with the cameras, and basically you have a macro camera, fisheye camera, a lot of different type of cameras, and they came with these little pockets so you can just easily protect your cameras and just take them everywhere, and I love them. Then I bought this adapter from Shein as well, so I don't know if it works like, see, I'm clumsy. I don't know if it works properly with time, but I really want an adapter that I could just easily connect my headphones as well as just charging the phone. So whenever you just have these space, you can't do much with it. So this looks like this. I think it's absolutely cute. It's very minimal and honestly it doesn't bug me to just stick out like this, but you can just easily connect your headphones and your charger, so you can be doing both at the same time, which was a problem for me until I got the wireless headphones or the AirPods, because especially whenever I was doing, for example, phone calls or whatever, and I had to have the camera with my headphones and everything, and then the battery ran out, I just couldn't be charging and taking the call at the same time. So I decided to get these. This I think was €3 on Shein, but yeah, I don't know. Talking about long-term usage of that, if it's worth it, if it's not, quality wise. I actually wanted the Apple version. The thing is, I couldn't find it in stores, so that's why I went with that one. So I'll give you an update whenever I use it for a long time. Okay guys, so I guess that's all for today's video. I just really wanted to share everything that I had related to my iPhone, because a lot of people are still asking for cases, for chargers and whatever, AirPods and everything. Comment down below if you have any suggestions of accessories that I should get for my iPhone, as well as brands or whatever that you think just would improve my workflow and everything with this phone. I hope you liked this video. This was a very informative video and basically me just showing everything that I got and have for my iPhone. I just think it's a helpful video for someone that is looking forward to just buy a lot of accessories for their new phone. This was just me reviewing everything I got. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Stay happy, stay safe, bye!